Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to use payment voucher in Marg software. Basically, a payment voucher entry is prepared when a firm pays money in cash or by check, demand draft or any other means to a customer, supplier or to any other source. It can be used as a proof of payment made from an account. So now let's implement this in Marg software. For that, we will go to Accounts menu, then Voucher Entry and then select Payment. So you will see a payment voucher window will appear in front of you, just like receipt voucher. Enter the desired details in this window for payment voucher. Like first enter the date, then press enter key. So a ledger window will appear. Select the receiver's name from this window to which you are adjusting the amount. Enter the amount which you are paying. So this adjustment window will appear asking to adjust the amount. Select the bill in which the amount is to be adjusted. Now press enter and in the credit side press tab key and select the mode in which the payment has been done. So we will select cash and here enter the narration for the records like cash paid for goods. Press enter to save the payment voucher. So friends, in this way you can create payment voucher in Marg software. Now let's see the GST payment. This option is used when any advance payment is made to an unregistered dealer. According to reverse charge mechanism under GST, tax has to be paid on amount paid as advance by the registered dealer. Now click on Accounts menu, then to Voucher Entry, then Payment and then GST payment option. For example, an advance payment is made to Rama Traders, unregistered dealer. Select the cash or bank ledger as per your requirement. Select HSN or SAC code as per your requirement. After selecting HSN or SAC, fill the amount of payment of Rs 5,000 for receiving a service which comes under 12% slab rate. Press enter key. So software will generate voucher entry automatically. As you can see, the window is showing voucher entry of GST payment voucher. So in this way, we can use the GST payment voucher in Marg software. And one thing I would like to tell you that whichever voucher you are entering, that is receipt voucher, payment voucher, etc. So in this, you have to enter narration again and again. So in order to prevent that, we will go to Masters, then Marg Setups and then select narration, color and sound. Now you can see standard narration window will appear in front of you. We will enter cash received on F2 key. So now when you overcome narration field and press F2, so software automatically enter cash received in narration field. So due to this, we don't need to require enter the narration again and again. Now press enter to save the payment voucher. So friends, in this way you can pass payment voucher in Marg software. Thanks for watching.